amanyanga nora
yati
My name is Dennis Ombach, the leader of Minority Fiscal Assembly. We came here for a cup of tea. Tunataka order ili tulikuja hapa kunywa chai. Mimi naitwa vile niwaambia, naitwa Dennis Ombach, kiongozi wa wachache katika bunge letu la Kisii. Tulijipata tuko hapa kwa sababu hatukusafiri kwenda Nairobi. Tukasema wacha tukunywe chai hapa tushauriana kidogo, na nyinyi mkasikia tuko hapa kama viongozi wenu, mmekuja kutuzungumzia. Tumefurahi. Kwa hivyo tuko wachache wetu ambao watasema mambo machache ili tuweze kukamilisha, tuache muende na sisi tuendelee na mazungumzo yetu. Wa kwanza ambao atazungumza na sisi ni kigogo cha siasa hapa Kisii, Mheshimiwa Monyenye, ambaye ataongea na Wakisii kwa Kikisii. Kwa hivyo mtafikiria radi tutaenda hivyo, alafu tutaongea Kiingereza na Mheshimiwa Lilian.
Ndizangani kabisa siasa malieta nguru kwa Mheshimiwa Wilfred Monyenye Yoge, Mheshimiwa Kisii Central Ward ya Libari Chache Constituency. Nditangani kabisa muna mwegi wari to minority yakwana ibo twomera na gaiga ocha kunywe chai na inu mwachire mwatanyo rirororo ande kirenge kenene gyatoleta gaiga ntumuna motoroche gaiga abana ba MCA ba Kisii County Assembly Kisii County abande baitumba kale State House na into twenyora gale State House ye itenke toikaranse na intura gamba unity yomugusii egento gyoka turabatebia abarali muna mwacha askire Jones asomugusia toigwete abatolega ntwe ntoranga kogenda State House, lakini bali bachie tona barabwo neganga yabo, lakini ntwa twatigara unity yo mugusi na intwe ntotageti totebenga mugusi totigare magega igaba gusi bonsi pia siba totegerete emambi yabono abatolega iga aba MCA turange 30 na gento nabo muranyore kibije kyakirenga abali bagenda State House munanje ku Kisii Central Ward ngo Mheshimiwa na karo uko represent Kisii Central Ward oyo gokwana no Mheshimiwa Kisii Central Ward takieti State House na ende gongo tebya baminto bali bagenda amangana amagenderero jusi abagusimba arwa State House kiwikibere kyaetire barenge ange 6000 amona abachumbe baito bagusi amagenderero asabwa onsipi aya serikali enene na rugwa muna ekiro yaito ya daraja agateba 1700 ekwerende kwa gachwari nyambera 1350 egetiki endege na ende bono nche bonkumeti wae totaringe kurangiria omu president yoito Ruto ache gusiga iga State Lodge na intogendo muna abachore be chi ward mbali echi 45 na nominated na into atumero muna akogenda chi county chinde yusi mwegu na agenda siaya akarujibe zitanga na besa na lingo mapei akarujibe zitanga na besa amagendera na ende togotebigwa ingaba MCA tochiko saba na arali na ende tobwate kimilioni 13 kipilioni 13 kipilioni ekyo kibwene tokora amagendero aito echi ward 45 amagendera national abachumbe baitombara okianda bakisi county banyasabire na enda twatebe tukutogende tuchikobolia aba MCA na yakoenda chiwodi cheito 45 gosenali president yarwo ntugo twasabaiga president tigeche commissioni ki project yecho torore chiere bono gakero muntu neresi yali na inje munante neina na intunto bwate eri yeito ekorwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i mwanya getinge 20p tobu mwatisie na ende chikura njicha kubwatwa tarehe 29 omutienyo kianga twalinga IPC ali head office iga bana baito bali mwabwatire bibande onde tatigara tabwata kebande ende na ntutorore twasainiri ase Kenya twabeira mo nabantu baito ende twakero yo minto ekoko igo no mwanya getinge tigatoberi bwerimo buya mono sana baraka
ya mono sana mongina sana ya mentango
Ibiya mona sana mwanya getinge kuteno mongina patseba sanaya
oyore nominated MCA ya Kisii County Assembly na ndo mongno maendeleo ya wanawake Kisii County. Igona mentire esinia yeito na ndito koraruke mamba okurukwa monyenye yogi. Aba inche gongo kwana igoro y'abakungu abakungu bagusi na intu twahabyariro omwana oyi twamoiriria ateire n'abagaka bakabugie ebicuria ekero bara twanyorire omwana omoisia omwana oyo itabiruke nyengi mokoro ku Fred Okengo Matiang'i minto omwana ono kobwate n'ababunarabe nero koro kya abantu ngana nche nimbwate omwana lakini omwana tobwata noyo bweri igori okoreire Kenya ya moitabire abasayi baito ba moitabire abagusi baito n'abasababu n'omukungu okogongia totare ko begente kemo amagenderero mbuya aba MCA baito guishi well na twabatebetie reta amagendererayo lakini monyore amagenderera itari gosario unity yo mogusi ta sario bo mogusi onde tagende ensemo igona abasorora enkero Fred Okengo Matiang'i na enda abantu bande baitabire omogusi kayora aberonye bisa kubinde bya itabire etoke nayo koburuga nayo gwako omwana wa matobe nayo gwako omwana oyesike ngakibono ora abarwo omogusi intego na unka mukono mwanyagetinge oyo minto sinia monyenye muna igotore gente kama abagusi na ande totigarete ko bamo omorembe nasaba no bo mubwakisi etwembura cinko bachiake omogwere ndoro mogasose ekadi mobwata basubati baito abamura igoti ye enkobe go twaka guchiete banga mbiya mono sana musatini
ndali omo MC obo chitendere taetenkwa namba ngana makesana lakini usogote baiga democracy no ane kere tuli assembly bakengwanjira na bali na abande bakana etwa ikaranse assembly tukaigwana nanga tiga abande bagende Nairobi na bali bachi etororo ebagoteba na magendero bakui tubwati michando kabara toletera magendero gagusi na indu toikirane buna chi county chinde chiagendereire tunashukuru ntobwati michando bali bachiete tukubasabira amaya bakwana ne president bareta magenderero buna batebire egento gyokanta ete gotebe kemo Kenya ya itabiranire amangana Fred Okengo Matiang'i kurigyo president tali ntubu nabagusi twamoreta iaretu naba Kenya igo ntu twatigarete maegaga asenge torengerete ngao bande tigabagende lakini ntu twatigaire togotebanga umuntu tubwate tokoni Fred Okengo Matiang'i no bakoreta magendero magoso tayo kiagere constitution ire goteba toe bwa magendero twes ono magoso tayo abachire kuya magendero tokubasabira amaya bareta magendero lakini igabugusi ntwe tokoni na Kenya ngima etokoni Fred Okengo Matiang'i bune president yeito kiagera tofire tinga Kenya tiragenderera buya etotaetaye konye kiagera ekero kurigireria sarenge ministry kurmaega okorire gasirenge ya Kenya bakorete kiri baitaberanete bono abakenya bakoranga ise kwa eguribaga na barakore gasingia igo ntwe tora asogo support Fred Okengo Matiang'i ngandero omwana oito ogusi na ndo omwana Kenya werure gokonya abakenya ata waisia bagenda kuya magendero twabasabira amaya tiga bareta magendero tokorerwa magendero gusiga elinto ikiriji county chinde bona chakorerwa magendero mbuya bono
one time
kwa niaba ya youth omuzike Walter Muchachi alafu bali ba na Helen ya Moitanere kwa nase bali bandike usi
kwa majina anaitwa Walter Muchache MCA Kigoro Ward na mimi asa marita ngoro ku Walter Muchache MCA Kigoro Ward na inche naboko sangana ba minto otebanga State House tuachiro ekero president yange Kakamega president yacha Kisii State Lodge ekero togoru ko mwaka wa 2025 tukagenda State Lodge nande nabatwe karanstenere tukamwera samagendera ya aberega kuirorwa agukwanika ngana achiete kuiwa twabere tokomotebia lakini ntoraro akende ke okorekana ntuo togosaba amagendera aitu asabete anya baekonya gubacha naro banyarete bakorera abagusi baita amagenderero na intu togoke abagere abere bakonyora amagendero bogera matega batari kogenda state lodge inki kiagera intu togobetera gutenda state lodge tumaikoigwa amagendero no togosaba amagendera acho atokonye guna abakenya bila gote gutenda state house ekende ndatebe intwe guna aba MCA bakisi tubwate e budget yaito togokorera amagendero gotora sabe e budget yaito allocated nero ekora amagenderero abantu baitu banyanyore kwa jumla baiwe benefits ya devolution ngachia baikerire ga gusi na alia national government ga gocha abe ekementero uja samagenderalia ye county so that toski e county tukujibosio na unity yo mugusi na nje ngote bye vijana iga mubwate chikura matianyi bwanjiranirwe asengenja tali asengenja ro mugusi lakini asengencho akorete gasi ngi ya Kenya ngima as a ministry of education a ministry interior akamanyekana ebisa kubinde byonse byatebirenga they are backing him na intu n'abana youth n'abantu bonse abana n'abake babwate bibande tobwatwara unity tosoma ya matianyi toske omoske matianyi gochibusio as a people and as a Kisii fraternity yamon
My name is Lydia Mtoni. I'm MCA in Kisii County Assembly. Today I made a conscious choice to stand here because I want to stand with the people. And we stand to defend devolution. The Kisii County Assembly is recognized as one of the 47 counties constitutionally mandated to manage their own affairs. As we speak, we do have money that is still within the CRF account of Kisii County, and it has not been fully utilized. So we stand here to defend the workers that have worked, and pending bills are still pending. Many people are dying of hunger in this county, yet money is in our CRF account. So we demand that after the governor is done with demanding for additional development, may he come back and pay pending bills. May he come back and attend to the devastating medical situation in our hospitals. May he come back and attend to the local issues. Constitutionally, counties have the mandate to manage their own affairs. And if there was any void, then we have the Intergovernmental Authority to then interfere or help us to resolve any matters that are outstanding. Should development come, we appreciate it, but we know we must manage our own affairs and make sure that that which we have received. In fact, we appreciate the finance minister for having disbursed the money to the counties, and we really appreciate that. But we demand that our governor must be able to appropriate those funds. May you be reminded that in our last budget, we carried forward 5 billion from development budget that had not been appropriated. And therefore, there's a lot that we can do at home before we go outside our county to do many other affairs. Thank you.
Asante. Amos Mokaya.
My name is Honorable Amos Omeri Mokaya, MCA representing the people of Nyateko. Today we're here as the County Assembly of Kisii, and we wanted to speak categorically about the unity of Omogusi. As you know, in Kenyan politics is run around communities and regions. And you've seen regions like Siaya, Migori, and other places like those. People are benefiting because they are organized as communities. But unfortunately, here in Kisii, since the advent of Msenya Chayo as the leader of Babagusi, we've not had a leader to unite Kisii. I wanted to say that this time we are very lucky to have a leader in the name of Okengo, Fred Matiang'i, who is ready to unite us as the people. But as you've seen today, people are in State House saying that they're going to milk. Actually, that is the term that was used from the State House. But I want to urge our people that those are means that are intended to divide us as the people. As the Omogusi, we want to say on behalf of our people that we represent from the various wards that this time round, we want unity of the Omogusi. And the person that can unite us is Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Whoever who thinks that he can represent Omogusi, I think that is a selfish person. I know some people are in State House because they want to guard their corrupt deals they have done, and they don't want to go to the court of laws because they want protection from State House. Let it be known to our people that whoever who is going to State House in the name of development, that is not part of us. We have only one spokesman, and that is Fred Okengo Matiang'i. So as Gusii people, let's support our son, and at the end of the day will be a country of development, a country of development, and will progress as a community. Thank you.
Asa Maria Tangoro kwa Helen Nyamoita Misati. Kwa Kiswahili. Mimi naitwa Helen Nyamoita Misati. Nimeteuliwa kuwakilisha walemavu katika Kisii County Assembly. Nilipewa hicho cheo na chama ambayo inaitwa UPA, ambapo tutampata Mheshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i kama president wetu fikapo mwaka 2027. Ningependa kusema yale ambayo wenzetu wamesema ni ukweli. Wale ambao wameenda, kitu ambacho tunangojea, kila mtu anawakilisha ward yake, na kama mimi sasa ninawakilisha walemavu, ningeenda huko, ningekuja na kile ambacho nimepewa, nionyeshe walemavu kile ambacho nimeendea. Kwa hivyo tunatarajia wale ambao wameenda huko wakuje watuonyeshe ni nini ile wameenda wameleta. Sina mengi nitaongea baadaye time ikipatikana.
I'm Zobare Thomas, MCA representing the people of Bobasi Boitanari. I made a conscious decision not to go to State House, not because of anything. Because 2 weeks ago, the president had a delegation of over 6,000 people from Kisii. There were a lot of issues that were discussed. Promises were given. So the reason as to why I did not attend this meeting today, I believe it is not about development. It is about how to bring down our son Fred Okengo Matiang'i. That is the only reason as to why I did not go to this meeting today. Because if we were in State of 2 weeks ago, a delegation of Kisii leaders and people, what is this new that we were going again back as MCAs and governor who have got their budget and their roles defined in the name of seeking development. Another thing, the reason as to why I did not go to State House. As MCAs, even those who are there, those who claim that they went to seek for development, there is no MCA who was spoken at State House. So which development did you go to seek if you cannot be given a chance, an opportunity to speak? That is why we've said, as those who've remained behind, we want to stand with our son, and I want to call upon Fred Okengo Matiang'i today. He should read the State House meeting as an open war to his candidature for presidency.
Thank you. And now,
Mimi ndio boss Mairura, MCA wa Masimba Ward. Itanga ndikantebe na ntaji at the State House because my mind is very clear. Tati abantu mbagenda State House bagakuana igoro yo Gusii biriba kwanete tigatobiganye no Gusii toro gosenga kore kadabire. Number 2, a meeting at State House, it was about Raila Odinga and the ISO DM shenanigans. Ichomo Gusii tu akane na tuwatume kire butambe kuna abantu bo Gusii. As we are talking today, there is no harm for a community to rally behind one of their own. We are rallying behind Fred Okengo Matiang'i as the president of this country come 2027. Yes. And that is our position as a community. And nobody is going to intimidate us. Yes. Finally, in Tubune County government, we have our own allocation from CRA and our equitable share Tokonyo from the treasury. There are no amount of delegations to State House that can increase the amount of money that we get as a county. That is decided by the Senate of this Kenya under the laws that we have in the 2010 Constitution. So nobody should lie to us that there is a way we can get something more or a bit of in terms of development as a county or as an assembly from the president by visiting him in State House. Finally, I want to urge our people. Our MCA wale wataji at the Stout House. Our MCA 16 wale elected. Na our MCA 14 wale nominated. Aba wale elected bachi ete koi development. When they come home, gakia bagusiba minto. Kero monta ko barire bintare entete from Nairobi obirore egekabu mebire ebiri kire ne cheki ne chibesa etu aba naiji na bakorege ntukike na uchumi ya kongiru pana economy ne country ya ito kurudua begete serikali na alingo ya mabo konyirigeri. So tutasonga mbele kama Mkisii na hakuna kututishia. We are behind Fred Okongo Matiang'i 2027 na hiyo ndio position yetu kama Mkisii na kama Mkenya kutoka hapa Nyangoso ogende baka Mandera baka Oljororok. Asante sana.
Members of the press, two things I want to highlight. One, we have listened to so many lies from President William Ruto. We went to Kakamega as a delegation from Kisii. We spoke about the airport, Suneka airstrip. We spoke about the cancer center. He spoke so many other things. He came to when we had the opening of 31st, the New Year. We took a lot of rice in State House, the State Lodge. And he did say that he was going to do those things that he had agreed earlier. As we speak, nothing has been implemented. We are here, more than 30 MCAs who have stood firm and said enough is enough about the lies of His Excellency the President, and for us he is one term. We want to rally our people and say we can't continue to still be talking about the same things every day. Enough is enough. We have stood firm, and we are not going to be intimidated by anybody. Yes. We are here by right, and we have stood here in our own volition that we are not going to State House. There is no amount of intimidation that is going to make us change. For us is one term. And Fred Okongo Matiang'i is the candidate to watch. Thank you.
Ncheko rugudeni somba cha bantu baminto njo muraiwa bakase bunge ya Kisii. Nonde ga ende ncheka nabo kamambi na nyora bantu bane no bale siko tima tinga ngo batewe tinajete Nairobi. Ono mate miake yetu aberere ntuna wa monyenye ugotara nyene batobekera no ene ndega maybe lakini bono twaro ukonya kwenda kipale chingo bwatori. Enare wotebaiga amangana ane abantu baminto batebire ntobwati obase bali baenda State House ntoganyete batolentere chi report egere toteya abantu baitonga ase okogendo lakini ekerenge likiane kyalo chakobaiga onye toikaransa buna bali tochorire na bali torabachore toligere chi program chiri chinde chitarabe kono bono marani nimbwate kyale ni water project etararoswe nimta etamara level 5 ninta gete binte binge epara nera ali ekurwero gayo connect abantu baminto babogere na Nyamira egoeta alimara niegende pakarugo ene bintu twaje kobeka na intu togende State House tosabe binte bigeni lakini intwale nge kogenda gusaba biri binda abajumbe baito basabire buna injo mujumbe one Jafet no alengenka nanda angirete esimi togakwana igo namotete inamotebet namba isato mugaba no itomu yato sigete na ndo ro musanyo enare ko motebia asebo siaiga egento ke uja komata na nje bono murai motebera ni age kyagarare ndenche go supervise gasiaye neri accountability yechibese wekera bono chi budget for 2022-23 na 2023-24 2024-25 na 25-26 egento ke uja komata the 60 billion on average chiachire 30% of it is about 20 billion. Nga kia chikoleire amagende last ward. Ekiare ye average about 400 million. Ine rego cha kogera abantu baito bamogokere bamotebinga bono gochibusia igana batoko genda iga. No genda State House mara 10 egento nyegene 20% ko weka William Ruto acha kulikichi kura chiae na gavana Simba Arati na acha kulikichi kura chiae na Dennis Ombachi acha kulikichi kura chiae. Totige kona kogosana. Na iwa aba minto bagotebanga bakoirana ngango cyo kuchwata bale abahambi bande ebiboko nga bache babagose tigamba tebiga inche ngakere chikura most of article 176 of the Constitution of Kenya which creates a county assembly kero umuntu nabo yategasiya yauka governor nabwate gasi yao kwa abajumbe babwate gasi yao kwa yariko babuya tubwaterane tukonye umugusi na ugukora tware bate abachikura kero umuntu nabwate libaga ase constitution yeito kuri gichikura intu bali torebe chiwode abantu bajakire gotobinyo abajumbe batenene nabaga banangotene nabali na presidency abantu gotene nabali so nyo umwana itokoro kwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i gotenena nere ayeguribaga uno mo Kenya uno mo gusi nerari gichikura onde tabase ko mogosa osita agenda achikumu ikiagara buna intu bono tuise komo akama komo tuise komo siareria igo otorasaririe egesaku geito kanke eri gichikura ikiagara no mugabano ito kana atakikurigia oyo gwatari enchera buna nyacha atete enchera nera achikonyora igo twarosabira namaya
Musa umenisaidia hii